Hello bass head. Today I'll show you how to replace your Sony MDR-XB650BT headphones earpads easily, cheaply and quickly. These are very popular Sony wireless extra bass headphones. As you can see, the existing earpads cushions are old, dirty and damaged. It is quite easy to remove the old earpads. Just tear them off, take them by one edge and slowly pull them away. It is recommended to clean the old glue residues, so that the surface to which the new replacement earpads will be glued is smooth and clean. Then remove the other earpad. It is important to get your finger under the earpad itself, because if the earpad is very old, it may tear two parts and the bottom part will remain glued, which will be difficult to remove. So you'd better do as I did, try to grab it from the bottom and pull it all away. Also on this side remove the old glue, so that the surface is smooth and clean. Then take alcohol wipes, or any other cleaner that degreases the surface, very likely that the new replacement earpads will glue anyway, but it is better to degrease the surface so that new pads glue better. Then order new replacement earpads for Sony MDR-XB650BT headphones, on Amazon, eBay or Aliexpress. Links to new replacement earpads will be in the video description. I ordered two different ones, one doesn't fit, the other one supposedly fits. As you can see, the earpads have different inner plastic ring diameters. The best solution is to remove the original Sony plastic ring from the old earpad, and also remove the ring from the new replacement earpads, which doesn't really fit. As you can see, they have a significantly different inner diameter. The outer diameter is identical. Then put the original Sony plastic ring inside the new earpad, but importantly, that the edge of the plastic ring protrusion is on the inside of the earpad. It can be a challenge to get the ring in. If you really can't do it, you can try gluing the earpad on without it, but then it won't hold as well. Maybe I'm wrong. Once the ring is in, remove the protective paper from the glue and glue the new earpad cushion in place. Press them down it on all sides, so that the ring jumps into place and presses the earpad nicely against the body of the headphones. Then do the same with the other earpad. Insert the original Sony plastic ring, but remember that the edge of the plastic ring protrusion is on the inside of the earpad. Then glue it to the headphones housing, pressing it down from all sides. Looks great, like new. Saved money by not having to buy new headphones and can enjoy bass music again. Thanks for watching this video. As always, I'll be glad to hear from you by hitting the like and subscribe buttons, to meet you in other useful headphones repair and money-saving videos. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to post them below this video. Long life to your restored headphones.